Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to show you how I make my cookies and cream cake. The recipe will be in the description box and I'm just going to get right into it. Alright, so you're going to take 3 8-inch cake pans and you're going to butter them or spray them, however you want to do it. And what I do is I also use these parchment rounds. I buy them pre-cut because I feel like there's less waste like that. So, but that's up to you if you want to buy that whole roll. I still buy the whole roll for other stuff, but for my cakes, I buy the pre-cut rounds because I just feel like it's less waste. All right, this is. You can get this from Walmart. A lot of times I get them from Amazon, but you can definitely get those from Walmart. So you're going to set these aside. You're going to preheat your oven to 325 and you're going to melt your butter. Okay, so you're going to mix in a bowl. Well, I'm putting this in this because I'm going to sift my flour, my black cocoa powder, which I bought off Amazon. It looks like this. My unsweetened cocoa powder, my baking powder, my baking soda, salt, and again the flour. So I will leave all the measurements in the description box. And I'm just going to sift it into a bowl. You can use cake flour if you want, or you can use all-purpose flour. See, you don't want that in your cake. So I'm just gonna mix this. Okay, so you got your butter in there melted, and then you got your sugar, and you're gonna blend this until it's mixed well. Okay, so make sure after you add something to the mixer, you mix it. You scrape the bowl. Make sure you scrape the bowl every time you add something. And this beater, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. So now you're gonna put this on low or medium, and then you're gonna add your eggs in one at a time. Okay. So now you're gonna add in your dry ingredients. And you're gonna mix on low and increase speed as the mix comes together. And you're gonna mix just until it is well combined. Do not overmix. Now you're going to add in your milk, and you're going to mix until well combined. Scrape your bowl. Make sure to not overmix. So now you're going to add in your coffee, and you're just going to mix it again until well combined. Be sure to scrape your bowl, your paddle, and especially the bottom of the bowl. You're going to add your vanilla. I'm going to scrape the beater off and remove it. Alright, so now you're going to add in your crumbled cookies. I don't crumble them I don't crumble them to a fine powder. I want them to still have a little texture. So this is what your batter should look like. Okay, so now your batter is done. You want to pour it into your prepared cake pans. You want to get all of that out of there. You didn't do all that to leave some in your mixing bowl. So, I try to make sure it's flat and as even as possible. Some people weigh it and do all that. I just try to do it by looking at it, but alright, so it's going to go in your preheated oven and bake. Okay, so when they come out, you're going to take them out and put them on a rack so they can cool. Let them completely cool. And then I wrap them with saran wrap and place them in the refrigerator before decorating because I want them to be chilled before decorating. Okay, so here is how I decorated the cake. I did clean it up a little bit more after this, but I did do a little recording of when I decorated the cake, but it is really long, so I'll probably put it in a separate video. But you can basically just crumble up some Oreos, put it in your whatever type of frosting you want. I do have a video of the buttercream video going up as well. So this is pretty much what I did. Very simple, nothing spectacular. Like I said, I cleaned it up a little bit and that was it. So the recipe for this cake will be in the description box. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. And I hope that y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.